Hi guys, well I've got some leftover resin and I've been requested to do this so many times, like to pour my mould that I made. I've tried it with Aquacast, it was too thin, it snapped as soon as I tried to get it out. So I've got some leftover resin from a project and I thought we could try it. So this is just to see if it's too small of detail for resin. We shall see. I don't know whether to do it in a certain colour. Shall we do it? I think sapphire is my bare stone. I've just used it in another project. It's absolutely stunning, but I am not going to use it as an alcohol ink. I'm using it as a dye. We don't need a bloom this time. I bought these octopus alcohol inks in 3s, so I've been like adding to my collection every time I can, if you know what I mean. So I've managed to get 12. I don't know where the other ones are gone, but I've got these ones. I can't remember where I put the other ones. I was probably showing somebody and put them somewhere. I don't want it to be really like opaque. I want it to be like glass. So it's going to be like sapphire glass. I am going to, I mean, these are handmade moulds and I don't like sprayed alcohol, but this is so bubbly. I think I'm going to do this first.
Welcome. Welcome to a place where the calm begins. Colors flowing softly, let the magic in. Hands in motion, heart at ease, creating little moments of serenity. With resin dreams that shine so bright, pouring love in every light.
Right, that's them done. We will finally find out whether that can be used as a mould. It might not be able to, but we shall see. Let's have a look at the moulds I've got. Right, got my penguins, so we can make them. Let's get this one. We'll get like the white in there first. And now we'll just top it up with the blue. Right, I think that's the penguins. And those penguins are these ones, like hugging each other. So cute. First time I've poured these with resin as well. So we are testing out a few bits and pieces that I've made. So that's good. I don't think I've got any more. So it'll be a into resin turtle and flower. But the flower first. Put it on there. The amount of times I get asked, have you poured the mandala pot yet that you made? And no, not yet. I haven't. I just haven't had time, but I've wanted to. And then I stood here today in my craft room thinking, right, what should I do for this week? And I thought, well, I could just pour mine. That's what people are asking for, so that's what I'm doing. And obviously the turtle and the flower. That's because all of mine are pretty big. You know, they're not small moulds, they're big moulds. Get those bubbles that come up there. Yeah, so I'm really happy with that. And then I've just got Amazon sunflowers that I bought for the Van Gogh collaboration. See, with this little spatula thing here, with the one with the lip on it, you don't waste anything. And then I've got some in this bottle. I'm just going to put the white in the bottom of this. that's me done. I just found a coaster mold and just did like put the rest of the white in and then put the alcohol inks on the top, and if that turns out nice I'll top coat it. If it doesn't, then I'll just use it in here for my coffee. So I will bring you back when they are all ready to demold, and I'm quite excited because I'm desperate to see if this will work, and obviously my penguins because I love penguins. So I will bring you back probably tomorrow now. See you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, it's the moment of truth. We're going to find out whether these molds actually work. So I'm not going to demold this one because it is a coaster that I've done so the front is facing, and I need to give it a top coat. So I will put that to the side. I just added some glass. So I won't demold that. I will just get these ones demolded quickly. They're not my molds, they're Into Resin molds, and the link for them are in my description box below. Always super pretty, always super sparkly, and this is an Into Resin turtle. It's got a bit of an overpour which we can get off a lot easier when it's harder, and I just can't seem to keep anything in my hands right now. Been to the gym and my body's just a bit weak. So, and that's the Into Resin turtle. Beautiful, always. The mold is getting a bit overused now. It's going white, but it doesn't affect the use. And this is just a daffodil, which I use for like leftovers when I've got like a small amount of leftovers. Right, let's do the pot first. Little tiny overpour there. That's because I poured it really quickly, thinking it took more than it did. Right, this silicone, this is why I use the BB Dino. Look how bendy it is. It's so flexible. Right. Ooh, my hands, honestly, my hands have done a lot of work today. It's still quite bendy. So the pot works. Got to get that overpour off there, but we need to let that sit. This will probably be even more bendier because obviously it's a lot thinner. I'm really hoping this works, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. I've got a beautiful 3D printed pot that I will use a lot. Is it going to work, guys? Let's have a look. The pattern, the detail hasn't gone in there very well. You can see it looks better on that side. So probably not. But like I said, I've got two now. I've got one resin and one 3D print. I'm not going to leave them on there together because they'll stick. That's got to go up. But yeah, see, the pattern looks so much better that side. Maybe I could clean it up from that side. I could possibly clean that up, you know. So, well, it's poured now. We know. I'll see if I can get the penguins out without breaking any more nails. Poor nail. Yeah, I forgot I'd thingied that one. I thought I'd ripped it then, but no, it's a split mold. See, I split it on both sides and it never leaked, so I'm super happy about that. And it just makes it easier to pull them out. Oh, they're so cute. I've got bubble in its nose, but oh, its beak. But oh my goodness, they are so cute. Oh, I'm really happy with that. This, I think I'm gonna wait until it's hard, and then I'm gonna cut out all of the bits from this side because it is really thin, if you can see. And I think that would actually do the job. I actually don't think that's come out too bad. I mean, yeah, the pattern isn't on there properly, but it will be if I cut it out from that side. So yeah, I will deal with that, and then I will do pictures. I love these. So yeah, I've got a couple of moulds that I can use. I will definitely like keep that mould because I think I can do something, like I said, with that. So I'm going to keep it that way to harden up. I will show you the end results in pictures. So I just want to say a massive thank you for all being here and watching my videos. This channel is nothing without you guys. I can make the content and I can upload it, but it doesn't mean anyone's going to watch it. But you do, and I appreciate that more than you could ever imagine. Thank you so much for any likes, comments, and to all my subscribers. I love you all. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye.